Well, that was the revisit after quite some time, a while. The Rocks Car Wash, Ryko SoftGloss XS2 with the $13 Super Wash. It's the ultimate. Anyway, I'm with my brand new dog. That's his name, Shy. That Gigs and my dog, Former, haven't brought us to us. Anyway, got some Ryko pieces. Well, anyway, so, and the car was really dirty, so just give me 1 second. Yeah. Now that was not what I'm talking about next to it. With Ryko, not many Ryko SoftGloss machines can do it like this kind of job. But in this situation, there's hardly any water spots or soap on the car, and you just got the sunroof good with. It's from the top brush. That was probably one of the best Ryko SoftGloss XS2s. Anyway, let's see if we can get my new brand new dog. Hey, baby girl. Hey, Shy, Shy, hey, Shy. Hey, Shy, here she is. Aww, I love you, baby girl. Daddy loves you. My mom is. Alright, pull her around the corner, okay? Alright. Alright, I'm just gonna show you just a quick update and then continue from there. Come on. Yeah, so this is equipment. This is Mark Vii equipment. Pretty much vacuums though, but I don't remember. Oh my god. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a quick tour on this place, and I see a common invitation I gotta grab. So long time ago, this location used to be a former long time Mark Vii Aquajet. I mean, not like the Magic One X's or Robolosh and Wash development indication systems. It was the Mark Vii with the spinning top one nozzles. We didn't have the side ones, we had one angle nozzles. Anyway, so we got this wash. Overall, she looks really great conditioning, but I had to run. I wanted to get the front view on video because I didn't play back view. So next time when I'm here, I'll go through this one. I'll do the front view, followed by the and then do the back view out the door and the top brush pass. Wow, that. Anyway, and yeah. So that being said, yeah. Anyway, I have to go. I'm gonna go check out these vacuums, and I'm gonna go get those coins. I'm gonna send jackpot. Anyway, well, that being said, as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more car wash outlets. Okay. All right, it's a car time. And this area is kind of good. I mean, just all right. Continue from there. All right, till next time.